I have the fruit of immortality in my fist. This fruit is supposed to be one of the richest sources of vitamin C in the world, which is a very strong antioxidant and a powerful immunity booster. This rejuvenating fruit is also used in many traditional Indian systems of medicine like Ayurveda and Siddha. Want to know what this is? Here is Amritaphala, the fruit of immortality, what we all know as Amla. Keep watching to know the amazing secrets that this humble Amla offers us and to know how to introduce this into our daily life. Namaskaram. I am Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant, and your host on Manchanmal. Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This wonder fruit is popularly known as Indian gooseberry in English, Amalaki or Amritaphala in Sanskrit, Nellikai in Tamil, Avla in Hindi or Avra in Marathi. There are many ways in which Avla can be used. Today I am going to be making Amla Murabba with jaggery. Murabba is basically a sweet fruit preserve. Traditionally, raw mangoes, ginger, avlas have been used to make murabba. And the practice was to mix the murabba ingredients in a glass bottle, add the required spices and keep it out in the sun for a minimum of a week to 10 days for the murabba to ripen. But today, of course, people in the city have lack of sunlight, staying in apartments and all, so this is a quicker method to do it. Using refined white sugar to make murabba is a very recent phenomenon, and as we have seen the benefits of jaggery in previous episodes, it is best to make murabba in jaggery. Here are the ingredients to make our amla murabba. I've taken half kg of amla, half kg of jaggery powder, 2 teaspoons of dry sunthi or dry ginger powder and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. By the way, these are traditional amla which is much smaller in size than the hybrid ones, and these traditional amla are known to be much more nutritious. All the ingredients here used are organic. The Indian gooseberry or amla is notable for its rich antioxidant content, but the most notable among them is vitamin C. Antioxidants, as you know, remove free radicals, stimulate the immune system and can prevent or even treat cancers. Most of us correlate vitamin C with lemons and oranges, but do you know that fresh amla juice contains 20 times more vitamin C than orange juice? Vitamin C, also known as L-ascorbic acid, is required for a range of essential metabolic reactions in all animals and plants. Research shows that vitamin C can reduce the severity of colds, act as a natural antihistamine and boosts the immune system. Vitamin C also helps in healing wounds and helps maintain bones and teeth. By the way, the body is not able to make vitamin C on its own, nor does it store vitamin C. Its deficiency causes the disease called scurvy. Apart from the abundant vitamin C, amla is also rich in calcium, iron, essential amino acids and many other vitamins and minerals. So, one of the simplest of ways to address all these requirements in one go is eat lots of amla. The first step is to wash and dry the amlas, which I have already done. The second step is to make cuts in the amla, which I'll just demonstrate. So take an amla and at 3 places you just make a cut here. 1, 2, 3. The cuts could be in a triangle shape. Can you see the cut here? After making the cuts in the avla, the second step is to boil some water. So let me add water. Let this boil and then we'll add the amlas to it. The water has started to boil. So let me reduce the flame and we will add these avlas in which we have made the cuts. Again increase the flame and let it boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. So 5 minutes are over, so I am switching off the gas. We will keep this covered for half an hour. So post half an hour, if you look at the avlas, you can see the wedges that we made. So I'll remove the avlas and then we will add jaggery to this same water. So let's remove the avlas. Now we'll add half kg jaggery to this hot water. So once the jaggery is dissolved, we will filter this water and then boil it. So let's filter this jaggery water to remove any floating material, if there's any sand inside. So now let's boil this jaggery water for about 10 to 12 minutes till it becomes slightly thick. I have taken 1 liter of water because I really love this water after the avlas are soaked into it. If you want it slightly thicker, you could even take 3/4 of a liter. So here we boiled the jaggery syrup for almost 20 minutes. It is thickened up, and now we will add the avlas. We will boil the jaggery syrup with avlas for another 20 minutes. So here we have boiled the avlas for about 20 to 25 minutes in the jaggery syrup. The syrup is also thickened. So I am switching off the gas. We'll add the elaichi powder and the ginger powder. So let's mix the ginger powder and the elaichi powder, and now we'll transfer this to a glass container, and see, it's very soft. Here our avla murabba is ready. We'll keep it in this container for about 2 days outside and then transfer it to another container and keep it in the refrigerator. If you do not want to store the avla murabba in the refrigerator, then the solution is to take a little less water, add the jaggery, boil it for a longer time before adding the avlas to get a thicker syrup. Here, soft and juicy avla murabba. Delicious. This avla murabba juice is absolutely divine. Fantastic. When to eat murabba? Anytime. But the best time to have murabba is early morning on an empty stomach. You can pop in this juicy avla murabba. It's best for you. Or it could also be used as a dessert, or children could have it with bread or chapati. Absolutely yummy. How much effort does it take to build our immunity? Let's find out. An amla a day keeps a doctor away. As we have already seen that amla is the richest source of antioxidant vitamin C, which helps build our immunity. So is it not easy to include amla on a regular basis in our diet? So what are you waiting for? The amla season is here. Make use of it. I will be very glad if you could share your amla recipes with me in the comment section below. Hey, have you subscribed to Manchanmal? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.